So way back when we got our first CFMoto, the big C-Force 800, yes.
I just threw up a little.
Oh, what? What?
I thought it was a bird.
Oh, I thought it's because you bought 800, not 1,000.
No.
One of the things I really liked about it was the second seat, because it's easy to throw the youngins on there and actually have a safe ride for them in the woods, or whoever, really. I mean, we both rode it before. Not for,
right.
Well, there's no video of it.
Right.
There's no video, but I was in front. He was.
Oh, good.
So anyway, he cuddles good. Anyway, so when I got my 1,000, I thought, because the Canadian models actually come with another seat. This is the Overland edition. I think the Canadian models come with a seat. This one doesn't. So of course, when I bought it, I ordered a seat. They were on back order with COVID, and they weren't produced because it's a little bit different. After I got the thing, I actually fell in love with this. This is super comfortable backrest. Plus, like, I use these two side boxes for my storage. Got fire extinguisher supplies in there. Van, let's show them the other one. Butt pad, zippy ties, important stuff. And then I use this one for kind of my day box, Gatorades, whatever, when we're hunting, just to throw stuff in. So, kind of upset losing the box, but I'm hoping it's supposed to be easy to take on and off. But JD wants to ride, and we can't ride without the seat. Like, there's just not room.
My question is this seat supposed to go on with the arms out and these boxes still on? Like mine's got the arms.
No, I don't think.
Or do you put the seat on without the arms?
I think you put the seat on without the arms if you use the boxes, yeah.
Okay.
Supposedly you can leave the side boxes in the seat. That's all I know. I hope. Otherwise, it's going back to clusters.
All right.
So supposedly you just pop those two things there, and these are really stiff because we did it. Oh, guess not. He said they were anyway.
Who?
Mike, the dealer. Oh. Hey, Mike. Shout out to you. He watches our videos. Costas. Give him a call. Right there. 349-828. 349-3489. Costas Equipment. Buy your CFMoto there. Well, if it's that easy to switch out, how heavy is that thing?
I can do it, but you will need help, little guy.
I don't know, it might fit with the armrest.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Let's put it in there real quick. See. I mean, I've never even taken mine off, so I'm not sure. I know it slides. There's two little catches. Let's see. Should be. That didn't work. Let's see.
We probably should have pre-did this before the video, but you know.
That's the fun of it, man.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to know how it really works. We'll just voila and it's done. It's so close. I don't know if it's not far enough. Definitely don't do that. Definitely don't do that.
Probably should have washed this thing before we videoed it.
Yeah. It's pretty dirty.
Sounds like it snaps, but it's not.
Nope, it didn't snap. It wanted to. I think the front's locked or slid into place. Like that literally should be it. I don't know.
It's not.
Let's go look at mine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's literally the same setup. Some sticks in mine. These two little pieces slide on there, and then this just locks around here. Let's see how easy mine is to get back on.
Apparently everybody's hard.
Same problem. There's got to be some sort of trick to it that I'm just not doing. Wait a second.
There you go. Yeah. What was the secret?
I don't know. Let's see if I can.
Pushing it in?
Yeah, I'm pushing it while I kind of see where it lines up now. See, but yours got them boxes in the way. It's not setting down all the way. For whatever reason. Let me pull it all the way off. If these are on top of that. It's definitely not the easiest thing. I don't know. It's locked under the front. It's not sitting down all the way down. It's not going far enough forward. I can see it now.
There we go. Childproof.
You just have to push the living beep out of it.
JD. Come check out your seat. That's your odds. What do you think?
Sounds good. The doors can have some space and I can have some space.
Yeah.
And I now need to get a sip of my water because I've been trying to get to it. But ever since you guys have been videoing.
Sorry. Yelled at him a minute ago for being on the camera. Put the old arms he's on.
Yep, they'll fit.
Yeah, sweet. Well, they just bolt on.
Yeah.
I mean, it'd be cool to, you could take like something and you could at least take your backpack and strap it right here if you wanted to. Which is all I really throw in the day box anyway.
What I always do is put mine on backwards and put the straps around here.
Yeah.
And then she stays on there.
Yeah.
That's what I do if I was you.
So there you go. We're going to put the armrest on. That's installing the two-up seat, as they call it, on the C1000 Overland.
The only thing I can tell you, a little tip, is push really hard.
Yep.
Push it hard.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and another tip. Subscribe for more CFMoto video.
Oh yeah, that too.
Hit that like button.
Subscribe. Like.
Oh, wait, did I say pretty first?
What is the one we're supposed to like hit the bell for?
Oh, yeah, ring the bell or something.
Ring the bell, all that good stuff.
Y'all be pretty.
We'll see you.